Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to solve an exponential equation with the same base and different exponents. And we have 3 at the power of x plus 3 at the power of y plus 3 at the power of z equals with 245. But before that, hit the subscribe button in the video corner for more challenging exercises. Although this problem is to find out x, y, z and not to prove, the method that I will also use is the reduction to the absurd. It can be assumed for starters that x is less than y less than z less or equals. Presumably by reduction to the absurd that x is different of 0. In this case, each number 3x, 3 at the power of y and 3 at the power of z is a multiple of 3, and their sum 3 at the power of x plus 3 at the power of y plus 3 at the power of z is a number divisible with 3. But in this case, 245 is not divisible with 3. Thus, a contradiction was reached, so the assumption made initially is false. And x equals 0. We have our first solution, x equals 0. Results now that our initial equation becomes 3 at the power of 0 plus 3 at the power of y plus 3 at the power of z equals with 245. So we have 3 at the power of y plus 3 at the power of z equals with 245 minus 1, which is 244. Again, presumably by reduction to the absurd that y is different than 0. In this case, each number 3 at the power of y and 3 at the power of z is a multiple of 3. And their sum 3 at the power of y plus 3 at the power of z is also divisible with 3. But 244 is not divisible with 3. Thus, again, a contradiction was reached, so the assumption made is false. And y equals 0. I found my second solution. Replacing in the initial sum, we have 3 at the power of 0 plus 3 at the power of z equals with 244. So results that 3 at the power of z equals with 244 minus 1, 243. In this case, z equals with 5. I found my third solution to my unknown number. It was obtained assuming that x less than or equal with y less than or equal with z, the solution that x equals 0, y equals 0, and z equals 5. But the equation is symmetric in the unknowns x, y, and z. So the solution of the equation are the triplets of numbers 0, 0, 5, x equals 0, y equals 0, z equals 5. Also, x equals 0, y equals 5, and z equals 0. And also, x equals 5, y equals 0, and z equals 0. The method I have used in this exercise, the method of reduction to the absurdity, is that it's a general method for solving mathematically impossible problems. This method is based on the excluded third principle, according to the which any sentence is true or false, and there is no third possibility, as well as the principle of contradiction, according to which a sentence cannot be true and false in the same time. That's it for today. Hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments how I can help you to understand mathematics more easy. Thank you.